We arrived to Santorini in Greece and just came to this apartment. It's called Bonita Cave, and it does look like a cave. There is not a single window here. Just look.
Yeah, not a single window.
Not a single window. We only stayed for a night in our cave.
We're gonna go to Fira right now.
So we start to explore Fira, which is over there, and from Fira we'll walk to Oya. We'll hike. The path goes through this narrow streets.
Be careful,
everywhere.
Daddy, there's pool.
Oh, there is pool. Oh.
There's pool and plus there's some oyster shop.
Oh, okay.
And be careful, there's more pool.
There's too much pool.
And then there's even some litter.
Yeah. But the views are great.
Yeah, they're even really good.
Yeah?
Yep.
Views are great. The hike from Fira to Oya is 3 hours long. We are half an hour in, so let's see if we can make it. We are out of town now. Still quite a walk. We're heading over there. We're about 3/4 through, and now we are hiking on
More than 3/4.
such a
Started like
path.
all the way over there.
Huh, Daniel?
Started all the way over there.
Yeah, we started all the way from those boats and hiked all the way here. So still a little bit to go. Not a very long walk, but yeah.
2 hours, 55 minutes. Only 15,000 and a few steps.
15,000 steps, yeah.
No, not exactly, like 15,600 or something.
Okay.
It is very tiring.
Is it? I would say it's okay. Yeah, mommy, it's okay. Yeah.
But it's
Everything is really white around, so make sure you have sunglasses. This is the car we rented, small but convenient here. So at the end of our day one, we are at the second hotel, quite modest. It's about 100 euro, 120 euro.
120 euros.
We have 3 beds, which is good.
That's good because I think that's mine. I have
Probably,
I don't know.
And does it have a sea view?
Yeah, sea, town, mountain view.
Sea, town, mountain view. Okay.
Because this town is pretty much like stuff that you find in the mountain and
Yeah.
nature.
This hotel is very close to the center of Fira as well.
Yeah.
Let's go check the pool.
Was it
Yeah.
that
Let's go
way?
check the
Was it that
pool.
way?
Is that way, the other way.
Or, okay, I don't know. In the entrance, she gave me some
Candies!
5. She gave me 5.
That's sweet.
I ate one. Daddy and mommy ate one.
Okay, thank you, Daniel.
Bye, guys.